What is happening? It is a beautiful Monday morning here on the homestead. Kind of warm out here, but I'm actually doing some stuff inside this morning. I gotta finish up some flooring and then mess around a little bit outside with some of the animals. Got to move the sheep today. Just moved them a couple days ago, and getting ready to set them up on a new line, and they're gonna be going all throughout here. It's like over my head out there already, so it'll be a lot of stuff for them to knock down. Mavi's not happy this morning. He wants to be in the bed. A lot's been going on. The world's kind of crazy right now, and we're just doing our thing, you know, just out here enjoying life, not being stressed as much as we can be, and just enjoying this beautiful nature. Hey, sheeps. Hey, sheeps. That's a bunch of sheep piled up in there. I've got to get their stuff moved over toward the end of the paddock here, and then move them to some new grass later. But right now I'm just going to move their house up because they make a mess in there at night, so that way they'll have somewhere to lay that's clean and dry during the day, keep them shaded. This has got to be overhauled very soon. It looks kind of ghetto and janky right now. Serves its purpose, and it has kept them safe so far in the night hours. I know I'm about to move you. Hey, Mini Pearl. Alright, give me a second. Move them over here to this section. It's got some thick woody stuff they don't really care for, but hopefully they'll mulch that down and get all this cleared up, and then they'll come back around on the back corner here that's been resting for a couple of weeks now, and back over to that pasture. I had to go get the sun shirt on. About to move the sheepies. Got me an extra net, got them some water and my weed eater. So we're gonna go ahead and cut a line for this net and go ahead and put it in the ground. And get them on some grass so they won't be mad at me. Hey, good. I gotta take them out every time. I guess that storm's not coming this way. Alright, let's go feed the big mama. Think we got no piggies. Got them some vegetable scraps today. Got you some vegetable scraps. There's the little babies. Y'all have really torn this area up. Hey babies. There's still 6 babies. That's good. That's good. Let's see, I need to get your other bowl. This ain't working, bro. Ooh, y'all made a mess in here. Hey, piggies. Oh. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. It feels nice that little storm's coming through. Really nice. Wata! Wind! Gosh. Definitely get my workout feeding and watering these animals every day. No gym required. Piggies, y'all better stay in there. Piggies. Walk around and see if we got any new babies. It doesn't look like it because Begonia is still pretty chunky. She's still kind of a chunky monkey. Let's see. She's building some kind of a nest over here. Pigs are really smart in how they make their little nests. Kind of cool. See all these little berms right here? That was all made by Scarlet. And Begonia's dug her little nest over here, but I don't see any babies yet. So maybe we'll see some tomorrow. Alright, let's go put these sheep to bed. Wow, these thunderstorms are really cool looking. I hope we can get a little rain this afternoon. Hey, you got grass to eat. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Yeah, grumpy butts. Yeah, grumpy butts. Oh. Alright, hold on. Well, I've been... Watch out. I gotta get over. My goodness. All right, let me check your digs. Make sure there's a little birdie right there. That's cool. So I'm gonna pull their shelter up. They've probably been pooping in it all day. So this is kind of a janky shelter, but it's been a really good one for the last 3.5 years. And now it's thundering and lightning. Pulled up this fresh grass. Now typically I don't like to feed sheep on the ground, but I didn't wash their bowls today, so this is pretty fresh grass, and we'll let them eat right here today. Come on, sheeps. Come on, sheeps. All right, the storm is coming in. It's not big, but I don't want to be out here when it hits. This is really pretty out here right now, though. I think it's supposed to storm later tonight as well. So. Come on, pile in there, girls. Pile on in there, girls. Pile on in there, girls. Pile on in there. Sheep are pretty brutal. Come on. Come on, Willow. Come on, Willow. Let's go. You know I'm going to save you a little bit for last. I like to feed Willow last. She gets left out. Pushed out of the way. My big boy. Alright. Okay, let's get out of here before... Golly! I think I caught that on film. Alright, let's skedaddle, as they say in the business.